Want to know the secret to floors that don't bounce or squeak? It's these small pieces between your joists that make a world of difference. I'm inspecting bridging and blocking today at this floor structure being built. Bridging and blocking, small components that have a massive impact on a floor's performance. Now bridging, well, that could be shaped like an X, or they could be small square wooden blocks between the floor joists. They might look unimportant, but they serve several very important functions in your floor system. According to the International Residential Code, Chapter 5, floor joists exceeding specific sizes must have lateral support through solid blocking or bridging. This isn't just a suggestion, it's required for structural stability of the floor system. Bridging serves several key purposes. It prevents joists from twisting or warping. It transfers loads between adjacent joists and significantly reduces floor bounce and deflection, all contributing to a floor that feels really solid. Now, notice that they're installed at mid-span on longer joist runs. This is where joists need the most lateral support to prevent flexing under the load. And for homeowners, bridging makes floors feel solid under your feet without that annoying bounce or squeak. And for inspectors, checking for proper installation and type is essential for evaluating a floor performance. See how each piece is securely fastened. That's essential. A loose bridging or blocking can't effectively transfer loads between joists. Understanding these small but vital parts of a house helps us appreciate what makes a quality floor system. I'm Ben Gromyko from InterNACHI, and I'm inspecting the little details that make a big difference in your home's performance.